All right, we're going to go over Google Takeout. This feature allows you to export all of your Google data. This includes emails, photos, and pictures, and Drive, so that you can take it with you. This is going to be particularly useful if you're a 12th grader who wants to keep your data as you move on. So we're going to start out by going to takeout.google.com, and then we're going to be presented with a list of all the different items that we can export. For the most part, most of these things are not anything that is going to be needed, so we're going to start by deselect all. And then we're going to scroll down and export our drive. So this gets your Google Docs and anything else you have saved there. And we'll go ahead and export Google Photos if you have anything saved there. We're going to go down and go to the next step. There's a few different methods you can use for delivery. The ideal scenario in this case is going to be your email. So this is going to send you an email link and you're going to be able to download those files and save them to the computer. We just need to export it once. It's going to zip it. You're going to want to use zip as the default here. Most operating systems can export stuff out of the zip file by default, and then the size of files you want them to be exported into. After that, you're going to hit Create Export, and it's going to start the copying. This process can take a few minutes depending on how much files you have stored. So if you don't see anything in the first few hours or so, that's not uncommon. Once we get the download link, we'll pop back in here and I'll show you what it looks like. After your data is ready from your Google Takeout, Google's going to send you an email about your archived information. Email's going to look like this. Once you receive that, you're going to click Download Archive. It's going to bring you up to another link and ask you to re-enter your password, verify that it's you. Then you're going to see a page like this. Its download should start automatically. If it does not, you can click the download button again and it'll download that. On a Windows device, if you open up your folder, this is going to be your takeout information. Go ahead and hit Extract All. Hit Extract, and it's going to go ahead and show you those files once it does. And now we have all of our files from our Google Takeout. We drive in here a little bit. Look at the Google Drive. Those were some couple test docs that I made. This would have all your information. And then photos. I uploaded a few photos for test. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.